How do you turn on the front camera in Google Meet on your Android phone? Let's talk about it. If you are new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So of course you can join the video calls as much as you want, right? And by default, it's likely going to show you the front or rear camera. It's going to pick one, but you can see that we have a camera button at the bottom, but this basically just disables the camera. It doesn't switch it. It doesn't like turn on or to the other one. But you want to pay attention to the top right, and you want to just see the circular icon with the arrows in it, and you can just kind of like use it to switch the front facing camera to the rear facing one, right? So it's not like the thing when you just enable the full effects mode. You don't do it in here. You have to just kind of like zoom it out and make the viewfinder smaller, and then it's going to be right there in at the top right. So I agree it could be like shown better, but it works. You can most definitely find it. It just kind of a little bit of a hidden away, so that's how you can turn between the front and rear facing camera on your Android phone during the Google Meet calls. So I would really appreciate your feedback. Let me know in the comments if you actually managed to find it for yourself. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for the next quick tutorials and tips like this one, and I'll talk to you later.